Hello and welcome to the lesson. How to calculate the angle between two planes. The figure below shows a square-based pyramid ABCD. AV is equals to BV is equals to CV is equals to DV is equals to 18 centimeters. AB is equals to 10 centimeters. Calculate the angle between plane BVC and AVD. So let us first identify the planes. So plane BVC. So BVC is this one, the resume. So this is the BVC. So there is the plane BVC. Then we have another plane that is AVD. Plane AVD is this one. So you're supposed to calculate the angle between those two planes. Now the first thing you're going to do is to drop a perpendicular from V to BC. Drop a perpendicular from V to BC on that plane BVC. So like that. And then another one from V to AD. Like that. Then you join this one using a straight line. Like that. So the required angle will therefore be this angle that is here. So this will be the angle between the two planes. And that is what you're supposed to calculate. Remember that this one meets, so this perpendicular meets the base is 90 degrees and it bisects, because this one is a square-based pyramid. So if BC is 10, this will be 5 and this will be 5. Again, this one will be 5, this will be 5. Then this one is a right pyramid, because you can see all the slant heights are equal. All of them are equal. They measure 18. So it is a right pyramid. All these slant heights are equal. So also this one is 90 degrees. So if I extract one of these triangles here, let me extract it. So this is VBC. I just need to use one because they are equal. These are triangle VBC and VAD or AVD. Those triangles that I've shaded, one in red and the other one in yellow, they are equal in length. So we have VBC and this is what I'm extracting, and then there's that. So the slant height VC is 18. This one is 18. And then this one is 5. Then this one is 5. So I want to calculate the length of this height. V, I can name this length here to be, let's say, N. I want to get the height Vn, and when I get that height, it will assist me to I can name this one to be M, because I will have to extract this triangle. I'll use this VMN. That is what I'm going to use. And since I have this length here, I have this length is 10. I can also drop the vertical height. I can drop a vertical height there, and such that this will be 90. So this one will be 5 as well, and this one will be 5. And then I need to get the length VM, which is equivalent to Vn. Look at that. So Vm and Vn are equal, and when I get that, I'll be able to use this triangle here to get this required angle. So when you look at whatever we have here, Vn, you can use Pythagoras theorem. So Vn is given by, using Pythagoras theorem, 18 squared minus 5 squared. Get the square root of that. So the square root of 18 squared, subtract 5 squared. So that will give the root of 299, which is equivalent to 17.29 centimeters. So therefore this height here is 17.29, and it is the height that is here. This is 17.29, and also it is the same height here, 17.29 centimeters. Now after doing that, I can now extract that triangle VMN. Let me extract it, VMN. So VMN, so VMN. So we have 17, this is 17.29, this is a 17.29, and then the required angle is the whole of this angle here. That is the required angle. Then this one is 5, this one is 5 centimeters. Now as you can see, we can divide this angle theta into two by first getting this angle, this angle here that I want us to get. So let me get that angle. If you divide this angle into two and call this angle alpha and this alpha, the two of them will give us the required angle. So how do you get alpha? You can use sine. So sine of angle alpha is given by the opposite side of that angle is 5. The hypotenuse is 17.29. So then sine alpha is equals to, just divide 5 divided by 17.29. That will give 0.2892. So alpha is equals to sine inverse of 0.2892. Get the sine inverse of that. So the sine inverse 0.2892, and that will give 16.81 degrees. So that means this angle here is 16.81, and this one again is the same, 16.81. So remember, the required angle is the whole of that angle, MVN. The whole of this angle, this is what you require. The whole of this angle, it is the angle between the two given planes, BVC and AVD. So this is the angle, and therefore to get that angle we simply need to take this angle that we have obtained and multiply it by 2. 16.81 we multiply by 2, and that will give 33.62 degrees, and that is how you're supposed to solve that question.